Welcome to the video of Zambeel Dropshipping. What is Zambeel Dropshipping? With Zambeel Dropshipping, you can promote our huge variety of trendy products listed on our platform without paying any upfront cost in UAE and KSA. You just need to register on our platform, list the products that are available, and start selling on any social media platform. In Zambeel Dropshipping, you do not have to buy any inventory. Zambeel has thousands of products that are available in its warehouse which you just need to list and earn profit. To work with Zambeel, you do not need any business license or foreign bank account. We can transfer your profit anywhere in the world. How can you start working with Zambeel with dropshipping model? Step 1. An online store website and a marketing account on Facebook, TikTok or Google, wherever you want to do marketing. The store should be separately made for UAE and KSA, and the currency should be in AED and SAR respectively. Better to use .com, .ae or .sa domain for better results. Step 2. Now sign up on our website myzambeel.com for free. Step 3. Once you sign up, integrate your Shopify store with Zambeel. For complete store integration, watch video on our YouTube channel. During app integration, you will see subscription plans. By default, you are on a free plan. Detailed understanding about the subscription plan, please visit our website. Step 4. You have to list products that you want to sell with Zambeel. After a very thorough process and analysis, we have selected hundreds of products which are trending in this market. All you have to do is list them on your website. No upfront payment is required. Once you select the product, you can download the product description and images, videos from our website. If you want, you can also use your images and video, but the product should be the same. Step 5. Add correct SKU codes and use respective countries' currency, AED or SAR, on your store to avoid any delay in your orders. For detailed understanding, visit our YouTube channel on how to add SKU codes. Step 6. After receiving orders, confirm them from your customers and send these orders to Zambeel as mentioned in the store integration video. For the UAE, we don't confirm orders. We only do follow up if the order is cancelled by customer. However, we do confirm order in the KSA market. To learn how to confirm orders from customer in UAE, please watch our video on YouTube channel. Step 7. Zambeel will provide order management system, OMS access, so that you can track your orders. For UAE, OMS link is available on our Shopify app. For KSA, our team will provide you the OMS link within 24 hours on your registered WhatsApp number. For complete video on OMS and how you can track your orders, watch video on our YouTube channel. Step 8. Once we receive your order, we ship it to your customer in 1 to 3 days, depending on the order is from UAE or KSA. Step 9. We collect cash from your customer and send you your amount every week. Thank you for watching.